Hi guys, my name is Ravi Bright Jones and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so recently I did a tutorial on Premiere Pro. I have ventured into Premiere Pro now, and from now onwards I'll be doing tutorials on Premiere Pro. Yeah, so today I'm bringing to you another tutorial on Premiere Pro, and it's about how to use the Lumetri color to color grade your videos. Very simple, very fast, and very sharp. Okay, so let's get into it. So first up, you open your Premiere Pro, and I'm pretty sure the last time I did a video I explained everything about Premiere Pro, not everything per se, but then just the basics that you need to know that will enable you to edit your videos. Okay, so first off you import your video into the project that is this side. So you import the video, and after that, it's not about, let's say you've already edited your video, you've already done whatever you have to do. I mean, the cuttings, the croppings, the trimmings, everything, and you want to color grade your video. This is how to do it. Okay, so I have a video here of my boy Yao Palmer, and this video was a music video, a short music video we shot somewhere at Afrancho. So let me use this one to explain the Lumetri color. Okay, so after getting to know which side that is, I want to mark in here and get to the side and mark out here. So I want to use just this side of the video. So after that, I'm going to click and hold on the video here and drag into the timeline. Okay, so after dragging into the timeline, this is what you're going to see. I'm pretty sure I taught this the last time, so you're going to know how to go about this whole thing. So let's say you've edited your video, you've made some trims, you've made some cuts and all those things, something like this, and you are done with the whole project and you want to add the Lumetri color. So this is what you're going to do. First off, you come to the project, that is the project side. You see this whole square here, then you right click on the space here, the whole space here, you right click there and you get new item. So after right clicking, you have new bin, new search bin, new item. The new item is what we want, so you're going to select the new item, then move on to adjustment layer, then you click on the adjustment layer. So after that, you're going to get this pop-up, and 1280 by 720 is what I shot the video in, and I shot it in 50 frames per second. So this is okay, you don't have to change anything, just going to click on OK. Nice. So as you can see, there's this black clip here with the name adjustment layer. You're going to drag that black clip onto the project. So this is what you get after dragging to the timeline. Sorry. Okay, so let's say I want the color grade to start from here and end at the end of the video. I'm going to drag the end all the way to the end of the video. So this is how it's going to look. Okay, so I want the color grade all over the video. Okay, so after stretching the adjustment layer, what you're going to do is you're going to move to the project, and right by the project we have effects there. So in the effects, you go to video effects. The Lumetri color is somewhere here, but then you're going to get confused. I think it's in color correction. Yeah, that is it. It's in the color correction when you go to video effects. But just to cut it short, just to give you a shortcut to where you're going, just search Lumetri color in the search panel. Sorry, Lumetri. What is this? Lumetri color. Okay, so this is it, Lumetri color. Then you drag the Lumetri color onto the adjustment layer. So the main reason why we drag the Lumetri color onto the adjustment layer is because, let's say we've added the effect to the adjustment layer and we want to take the effect off. Instead of deleting the effect from the project, all we have to do is just click on the eye here, and it's going to turn off the effect. So let's get to it so you guys get to know how it works. So you click on the adjustment layer. After you've dragged a lumetri color onto the adjustment layer, you click on it, then you move to effects control. So under the basic effects, we have lumetri color here, and what you need to do is move to basic correction, click on it, then you get input LUT, that is input lumetri color. So as you can see, we have this type of import file here, import thing that you have to click on. So you click on the none, then you get custom, and you get browse, and you get some already basic lumetri color that they give you. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the browse, and there's going to be a pop-up that takes you into File Explorer. So I'm going to go to where my lumetri presets are. Resources, or then resources, and I have LUTs here. Okay, lumetri, LUTs, creative. Okay, so what you see here are all lumetri effects, that is color grade effects. It has already been done, and it has already been saved. These all are different types of effects. So first off, let us start with the humble, that is the IWLTBAP humble slash log, that's log. Okay, so I'm going to double click on that, and now yes, you see the appearance, or just the look of the video has changed. Yes, so now that we have the effect in the adjustment layer, let's say we don't want it anymore, we're just going to toggle here, and the effect is gone. I hope you understand. So that's the main reason why we create the adjustment layer in the first place, just so we can toggle it off anytime we want. So let's say I drag the lumetri color into the main clip right here, and I want to delete the lumetri color out of it. I'd have to go through all the clips in the project that I'm doing, then delete them all. You see, that's going to be a very long process. We don't want that. So you just create an adjustment layer, and you drag the lumetri color into it. So if you want to change it, you come back to the effects control, and you click on the humble log. Then you get the same browse thing that you used for the first one. Click on the browse, and it takes you into the LUTs folder. Then this time around, I'm going to select Sedona Standard. Then you select it, and it gives you another effect. Yes, so the lumetri color is very simple to use. It is, basically the type of, something like a shortcut to color grading your videos. Yeah, so guys, after doing this, probably you want the Sedona to end at this point. Yes, you want the Sedona to end at this point. Then you want a different type of effect to continue. So you'd have to create another adjustment layer, click on OK. Then you're going to drag the same adjustment layer onto the project. Then you're going to trim to the end, click on it, and come back to the effects, drag the lumetri color into that adjustment layer, come down, select basic correction, none, go to browse. Then you can choose a different, so let me choose the humble log right here. No, let me choose something else, V2 log. Okay, this is V2 log. So it is like I want to transition from the Sedona effect to the V2 log. So this is how it works. You just create an adjustment layer, a new adjustment layer. The main reason why you create a new adjustment layer is because if you drag the old one, it already has the first lumetri color that we used. So if you drag it there, it's still going to appear at the same place. So that's why you create a new adjustment layer. Yes, so the video will play, then as it gets to the other adjustment layer, the effect changes. The effect changes, and it is very simple as that. Yeah, so guys, that'll be it for today. Very short tutorial. I don't know if it's short, we are almost 9 minutes in, but then it's cool. Yeah, so this is the Lumetri color for you, color grade with Lumetri color, and you're good to go. I use it all the time, most of the time. Yeah, so guys, kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video. Ask me any questions in the comment section, because from now onwards we're going to be doing a lot of Premiere Pro, but still we're going to maintain Photoshop also. Yes, and very soon we'll be back to Cinema 4D as well. Yeah, so guys, graphic design contest episode 2 is still ongoing. I have 21 submissions so far, and it's not even Friday yet. Yeah, so Friday is tomorrow, and we're going to end the contest. Then I'll bring the submissions video. Yeah, so guys, kindly subscribe to the channel once more, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.